Get her. Come on, that's bad. That's bad. What are you doing? That was
You see how I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature? Very mindful.
You can do this. Come on, Nancy. It's okay. What? Chip.
Let's go. Is it cold?
No, it's not cold.
Are you cold?
No, I'm not cold.
You're not cold?
Just in case.
Oh, baby. Oh, she doesn't like it. Mimic, you are not a fucking husky. Get in the house. Mimic, come on.
So, how did you all feel about that moment? Let us know below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.